Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist for YouTube. And if you are listening to me on Spotify, so welcome to my channel, Digital Marketing Secrets with Himanshu Verma. Okay, so today's topic is going to be very helpful for everybody across all the fields, like across all the niches you have. So uh, okay, so today's topic is like seven most important skills everybody should learn. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, I am sharing my screen with you. Okay, so here are top seven skills by Himanshu Arora by me, and you can check out my e- website also, digitallinkplay.com. Okay, so the topic is like seven kick-ass skills everybody must learn. So there is the heading seven kick-ass skill everybody must learn. First is persuasion. Like persuasion is like if you don't know the word or the term persuasion, so the I simplified the term how to influence people. Like persuasion is the skill to influence people. Like master the skill how to influence people or how to yeah how to influence people. And and the other skill is second skill is marketing. So the first skill is very important, like how to influence people, how to persuade. Because if you know how to influence people, so I think you are the king. Like if you know how to influence people, so you can uh, yeah, so you can influence people very easily, and you can be a leader. And okay, and the second most important thing you should know in this age and that time is like marketing. Marketing is most important skill nowadays. Like if you don't know the marketing, like marketing is very important skill nowadays, and you should know marketing in like marketing is very relatable in this social media in this social media age or the in internet age. Like marketing is very necessary. Like if you market yourself, like everybody market your market uh, yourself by the help of internet, by posting videos and the uh, uh, by the posting videos and the pictures on the internet. And yeah, and third important skill everybody should learn, like sales and closing. Like if you know sales or closing, so you can sell anything. Or like sales is not only for sales. Like if you are selling okay, if you are convincing your parents for something, so you are selling your idea to your parents. And if you are convincing your friends for like let's take an example, like you are convincing your friends, like let's take a trip to Goa. So you are selling the idea of going to Goa. So this type of like this is also a pattern of sales. Like so, the sales skills is very important skills. Also a very important skill according to me. Okay, so the uh, fourth skill is art of communication or communication. Like if you know how to communicate and uh, how to tell your idea to other people, or how to communicate effectively by your body language and your by your words. So it is also a very important skill. Like if you don't know how to communicate effectively, so you you cannot tell your ideas. You cannot tell your ideas to other people, and it may harm your values also. And fifth skill I think everybody should learn is copywriting. Like copywriting is like writing something like okay, copywriting is like communication like by written words. Like copywriting is like sales in written words. So uh, you are selling something by the words. Like okay, if you see the like click here to buy now, these type of things are come under the copywriting skills. So if you are a good copywriter, so uh, it also improves your sales skills. And sixth skill everybody should learn is like in this social media and the internet is using automations. Like uh, in this internet, there is very important thing like you should know automation to save your time and to save your money. Like um, if you if you hire people if you hire people for any of the sort things you do, so okay, so you can you have to pay them money. You have to pay them money, which is very costly, and uh, so so you can also use automations for some work to schedule your work, and it will save your money and time and efforts also. And the seventh and last skills I should know everybody should learn is like last but not the least, like storytelling. Yeah, storytelling is also a most important skill everybody should learn. Like we are very social creatures, and we are very like we humans are very emotional and social creatures. And yeah, like humans okay, humans share their thoughts by the storytelling. Because when a child doesn't even know the language, uh, we can communicate with the child with the help of a story. So storytelling is very important thing. Like it takes us to in an imaginary world, and by the help of story we can connect easily with other people. And yeah, so storytelling is the another point, uh, another skill everybody should learn. Okay, so these are the seven skills. I am repeating the all the seven skills for you, like which I told you in this video or in this podcast. So the seven kickers skill everybody should learn uh, is first is persuasion. First is persuasion, like how to influence people. Second is marketing, how to market yourself and how to market anything. Third is sales and closing, like how to sell your idea or how to sell anything. Fourth is communication, like how to communicate effectively uh, to win friends or influence people. And fifth is copywriting. Copywriting is like selling by written words. And sixth is like using automation. Automations in this social media and internet is very important thing. And seventh is storytelling, because stories if stories connect emotionally. So these are the seven important points and seven important skills. So okay, that's all for today, guys. So, guys, if you want to learn business or the digital marketing, so you can follow me on my Spotify channel or my YouTube channel. You can also check my website digitallinkware.com, and the links are in description in both the places, Spotify and the YouTube. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's meet tomorrow or next video.